How's it going, everybody? My name's Eric, and in this video I'm doing a video review of Xbox 360 joystick replacements that I bought off of Amazon. This is the brand RTWETOF, Rateway Off. I'll put a link to them in the description. I want to actually tell you guys that what I received was absolute garbage. As you can see, I'm in the middle of replacing these joysticks. They were well worn off of this Xbox 360 controller. Every single replacement that they sent me 6 different caps where they are very loose to where they just fall right off of the joystick terminals. The original ones, when you put them on, it's a much firmer attachment. As you can see, when putting the controller back together, I would rotate it this way and they get seated nicely. But using their joysticks, when I rotate it, they just fall off. All but one will fall off. One of them sticks on tight to where it'll stay. Some sort of flaw in the design of the mold. This is just too wide. It needs to be thinner. There's also a flaw of where they put the little feeler dots. You'll see that once I get it all installed. It just makes the entire process wildly more difficult to install than it needs to be. There is just a looseness to it because of the way that it connects to the actual joystick mechanism. And to top it off, here is an OEM one. You can see that the dots have not worn out and it's straight north, south, east, west. On these replacements, they are now offset to where it's now an X of where the dots are. So the feel on them is different and the actual joysticks themselves are a lot looser. I wish I could return these, but I've waited over the 30 days to repair these controllers. It's really hard to show on camera the feel, but if you can see that, and let me put the mic up to it, you can hear it. Like, it's just very loose opposed to the OEM. Like, you can see how tight that is. You really can't hear anything. Back to that one. That one's pretty much the same. I'm literally just shaking it and you can feel like the bad tolerances in there versus the OEM. And the dots are offset. You can see it's like southeast instead of directly south, and it's just kind of weird. So do you think I'm being too picky? Maybe give them the benefit of the doubt, it was a bad batch, but I'm really not impressed with these. Given that the Amazon listing has a ton of good reviews, I don't know if they're fake reviews or what, but I'm really not impressed with this product. I really wish I could return it, but I'm past the return date because I waited so long to even try to make a video. This was actually supposed to be a how-to video, but it ended up being your product is crap video. So if you've bought this product off of Amazon from this seller, let me know your experience with it. I feel like this is a complete crap product, not reflected in the reviews. Got some fake reviews going on or something. If you have a quality listing that you could recommend to me, please let me know about them in the comments section. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please give the video a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye.